Quick and easy interlock device removal. Okay, first thing you want to do is disconnect the ground, the black side on your battery, and wrap it with some kind of a towel or something like that so it doesn't make contact with anything that is metal. Otherwise you'll reestablish your connection. Okay, so here is the interlock device that I had removed. Okay, there's the head unit, there's the module, and here are the wires. Okay, now the two colored wires, the orange and the green in this case, were connected right underneath the steering column, and I just snipped those. I am going to tape those up, and then there is the black wire with the eye hole. That was mounted to the bare metal at this bolt right here. Okay, so I took that one off. And then finally, there is the brown wire and the white wire that come out of the module. The brown wire and the white wire are the wires that disconnect the ignition wire. That's the one when you turn your key on and everything goes on and you twist it to the end and the motor turns over. The motor will not turn over because this is the break in the line. Okay, there is a connection that needs to be reconnected where it was split. You see the two yellow connectors and then the white wire between them. Okay, where the white wire is going between those two connectors was the white wire went into one and the brown wire went into the other. So I just snipped a little piece of the white wire and reconnected it with those connectors, and the car started. Okay, that's important. And you got to put it all back together. Quick and easy, took me about 15 minutes.